This latest development coming tonight, just hours ago, with the director of the Centers for Disease Control accepting the recommendations of expert advisors, and she gave the green light for the use of booster shots for Americans at high risk of COVID or other severe disease.
Vote number 1 passes with 15 yeses and 0 noes.
It was that unanimous vote by the advisory panel that prompted the CDC director to approve booster shots for some Moderna and Johnson & Johnson recipients. With that approval, millions of Americans can now get another dose of the vaccine.
CDC's recommendations will not just address who should receive a booster dose, but also include what vaccine they should receive, how, and when.
But the boosters are not for everyone. Federal regulators recommend shots for Moderna recipients 6 months after their second dose. For people 65 and older, those 18 to 64 at high risk of severe COVID-19, and people in the same age range who work in environments where they are at increased risk of getting the virus. As for J&J recipients who are 18 years old or older, the CDC and the FDA suggest a booster at least 2 months after their first dose. The CDC's green light comes days after the Food and Drug Administration gave its okay to the J&J and Moderna vaccines. The Pfizer booster won approval last month.
The goals of a booster program should be the prevention of severe disease, including hospitalization and death.
The CDC director has also endorsed the mix and match strategy for boosters, noting that people can choose a brand different from their initial shot. Research has shown that technique could be beneficial.
So the benefit that we know of from research that's been presented by the NIH is that mixing and matching different vaccine types can actually help produce a more robust antibody response, leading to better protection against COVID-19.
Along with their recommendations accepted by the CDC director, the advisory panel expressed concern over whether boosters should be available to everyone, especially young and otherwise healthy adults. Now, further guidelines on that should be expected. And with her approval, the CDC director did reassure everyone that evidence has shown that all 3 authorized vaccines are safe. Now, the sign-off on the additional boosters, as well as the flexibility of mix and match, is now expected to make it a lot easier for people to get the shot as early as tomorrow.